Hello friends, my name is Mrigen Singh and you are watching Premium Crazy 11 YouTube channel. So today I will give you a quick demonstration or quick review on Easy Money 4.0, how he has making a $100 per day through Instagram, and same secrets will be revealing here, and how you can also use this secret to make $100 per day or more than $100 per day through social media or Instagram. Before we have to proceed our video, remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. So here the secret method I use to earn $100 a day with Instagram. No need for big accounts, no email, no bots, all friendly with new buys. My students earn money on the first day. Here he has saying that secrets revealing here in this service or in this course, and easy step-by-step methods on how you can triple, quadruple or even 10x your investment without even knowing about marketing or learning new skills. Here you can click over here and get your copy now. You can get your copy right now. If you want to get your copy right now, then the link will be given in the description. You can go over there and click on that link. You will be redirected to this page. Dear fellow internet marketers, if you ever tried building an online business and have failed, you might have gone through all these emotions. You bought your own domain name and started learning how to make a website. Then you decided to use that website for affiliate marketing or drop shipping. And after a while you discovered you have to learn SEO, master Facebook ads or Google ads and many more to get all those sales, until you have given up everything and forgotten everything. Oh wait, local business service is booming. So you changed your mind and went into freelancing instead and decided to service local business, because online is very difficult to succeed, and so now you are stuck. You are procrastinating and you are still in your 9 to 5 jobs, leaving all the great opportunities, online opportunities behind. What has happened? Why is it that even though we try so hard to build an online business and learn everything we can, we still end up achieving nothing? The reason why you never achieved online success is very simple. It's because of all the things you have to do and the money that you have to invest in it. Think about it. Here is why people fail in their online ventures. So most of the people are failing online businesses or online ventures. This is the sum of the points given over here. It takes times to learn new things. You need more investment to get things more quicker. Some methods are hard to follow. You need to create social media accounts and link building methods, information overload, lack of direction, lack of skills, and the list goes on and on. As you can see, with a lot of information and new methods now coming out online, people do know any more wish to follow. They get overwhelmed of all the options available in front of them. Excited new buys end up experiencing information paralysis. Their excitement and momentum slowly disappears until they given up and completely lose their direction towards achieving their financial freedom dream. But today I am going to reveal to you what most successful marketers do and how, in a very simple way, it is possible to achieve your online business success. Here the introduction will be InstaFacts. Here this is the product. InstaFacts is a nutshell, is a guide that teaches you how to achieve your long awaited sales through the use of social platform like Instagram. Though it can be applied to anybody's business, InstaFacts mainly focuses on how someone can also use this with a client business to cover a wide range of lessons regarding marketing, and how someone as a new buy can make use of it as a side income too. With InstaFacts you will be getting over here, learn the simplest way on how to achieve online success, achieve high rates of ROI, spend less time doing tasks. Here how does it will be working over here? Here you have clearly seen that find your prospect clients and his target markets through the way we are going to teach, and you inside InstaFacts. Grow his business through InstaFacts process, build and enjoy a lucrative online business service satisfied clients from here. Just imagine a lot of excited clients coming near you to thank you for growing their business. Or what about hearing a lot of carsing sound from your phone whenever you make a sale? how would you that feel? Just imagine how your life would be 6 weeks from now if you start implementing it from today. Here is the quick some of the review given over here. Some of the students will making here money to 75 US dollars. And here is the PayPal screenshot. Some of the students making money by using the same strategies which will be given over here in this course. Here's your download. The download link will be given in the description. And today is the offer price you can get all over here is only $17. After that it will be a $57 product. And today here it will be launching, so that the price will be very less, which will be only $17. If you want to buy a InstaFax, then the link will be in the description. You can go over there, and want to know more, then you also go over there and you will be redirected to this page, and you can learn all the steps by coming over here. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, remember that you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and smash that like button if you really like this video. I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy journey.